Hi dancers, do you feel that your Grand Plié doesn't flow? And you are left feeling more like an old rusty robot on opposed to a very elegant dancer? Or you even forget sometimes specific characteristics and when to use them? Well, don't worry, because in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to do Grand Plié in the basic 5 position of legs, as well give you some tips on how to better do coordination of arms and head. We're learning to do Grand Plié, which is a big flexion or full flexion of legs. We have to keep in mind 3 specific characteristics. One, that we divide the movement in 4 different steps. Demi-plié, full flexion, recover demi-plié, and stretch. Second, the movement is fluid. We will never stop in each of these 4 steps. And 3, although we lift our heels out of the ground in 4 of our 5 basic positioning, we will never do a full demi-point or releve. Grand Plié in first position. Sideways to the bar, one hand on the bar and the other one in your hips. We are going to do a demi-plié, that continue fluid movement to a Grand Plié, lifting your heels only so you can continue to a full bend of your knee. But look at my body weight, it's not resting down. I still have that super elongated feeling, lifting all the way up. My heels are going to lift very short amount out of the ground, and it's the first thing that we are going to pull down when we recover up. When doing in third position, we are going to remember the same. It's a demi-plié that keeps a turnout all the way down. We immediately recover up and press heels on the ground, recover up. Battement tendu, fourth position. Here it's really important to keep in mind your hips stay square facing forward and your body weight is equally distributed in between both legs. We do not stay back or we do not go over the front leg. Rather, we stay in the center, facing forward, both hips square and level. And we repeat, demi-plié. Only lift your heels because you need to continue to a full Grand Plié. Go up and press down in one and keep going all the way straight up. Battement tendu. Cross your legs to a very nice fifth position. And here, this is the position when we will tend to lift a lot our heels, and you have to, again, remember, we don't stop demi-plié, we just lift enough to let ourselves all the way down. We press immediately as soon as we start to recover, and fluid continue up. Now, why did I jump the second position and I didn't teach it before? Because this is the only step in where we do not lift heels out of the ground. Second position, heels in the same distance of our hips, just right beneath our hips. And we are going to do a deep Grand Plié, maintaining a really good turnout, but my heels will never lift out of the ground. Upright position, and we have an opposing movement here. We go down while we keep going up, and now recover. And next I'm going to teach you coordination of arms and head. A port de bras when doing Grand Plié. First position, my arm is in second position, my head is away from the bar facing the diagonal in front, and we are going to breathe. We are going to do demi-plié, Grand Plié, Brava position. We're still facing out. Now we're going to change to face first position demi-plié and stretch legs and arms together and open head and arm together. Let me show you slowly. 1 and 2, change 3 and open together. This is when doing an ande or port de bras. When doing an ande down port de bras. When doing ande down port de bras, my eyes are going to follow my arm, but we will never lose our upright positioning and long neck. We are not going to flip head back and recover up again. We'll never do that. And again, we are going to divide it by breathing in 7, 8 and go 1, Grand Plié in 2, demi plie in first position and stretch together. Now I'm going to show you a combination, how it looks like everything together in the first, second, third, fourth and fifth position of legs. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Demi plie, Grand Plié, and stretch, and third position, underdone. Fourth position, underdone arms. Fifth position, 1, 2, allongé, and up. For more videos like these ones, I would recommend you to click right here, check down below in the description of this video, where I'm going to leave a ton of links for you on how to improve your ballet technique. In saying that, go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.